Hi viewers, how are you? Welcome to my channel RCR Trends. Please subscribe my channel if you are the new visitor and press the bell icon for my latest updates. Today we are going to discussing about very interesting topic. World's first phone with holographic 3D display is going to launch soon. High-end camera company Red has reported the creation of a premium smartphone. Its name is Hydrogen One. This phone has one feature that will be the debate in the whole world. This company will give holographic display 3D display in this phone. This phone has a 5.5-inch display which can be set to people at 2D and 3D according to their own choice. The music system of this phone will be different from all the phones ever made. Speaking of the features of this phone, a button-shaped camera has been released which will be a center of attraction. However, the Red company is known for its camera only, so there is no doubt in the phone that will an overwhelming camera. Along with this, the phone also has a micro SD slot and a headphone jack. Initially, this phone will be available on Red's website, and this phone costs around 77,000. It will also have another variant of 1,03,000 rupees, which will have more features. The important thing about this phone is that this phone has been given a unique design that will cause a change in the design. This is the world's first phone design which will change the design itself. Pre-orders are also started on its official website.